Good morning, YouTube. This is a video about the C4 hub bearings and bearings on mine. When I first got my C4, it had 163,000 miles on it, pretty rough shape. And the first thing I did was replace the hub bearings, and I just used ones that I got off the internet. I think it was A1 Auto or something like that, or 1A Auto. And they had like two rears for $100 and two fronts for like $125. So the fronts are holding up fine, but 217,000 miles on it now, which is probably about 55,000 miles, and one on the driver's side is pretty much shot. There's no play in it. That's the thing, though. Like when I was checking for the noise, the winding noise that I was getting, I couldn't tell exactly where it was coming from, and it turned out it was coming from that hub bearing. You can't tell till you get it off the vehicle. There's still no play in it. There's just and you can definitely tell it's dry inside, and by the rust it probably got really hot, but it would wind like crazy going down the highway. I thought I'd just share that with you. So now I have Moog ones on there. Moogs are the only ones that have a 3-year warranty that I can find. Hopefully they'll last more than 50,000 miles, but thought I'd share that. Have a nice day.